I've been getting blown up. Newsom, what's your thoughts on Tesla? I know you're all in on your 5K account, and I had so many other individuals who are just absolutely revolutionizing their portfolio with this stock pick. I mean, it's Tesla. It wasn't really a stock pick. It's the easiest choice in the world when it comes to transportation. So let's dive into it and go through the 5K account update as it relates to our Tesla position. I am standing in front of the workstation of Mr. Calvin Williams, who's behind the camera right now. My boy is helping me with this particular video. What we're doing is looking over Tesla. This has been the phenom for our 5K account. And as you all know, this has been our #1 focus for every video that I've made pretty much since June, July has been just Tesla. Here's a screenshot of the overall account's performance, and right now we're doing great. This was obviously in part to the fact that Tesla's just been rampaging, but most importantly, Tesla also posted one of my favorite candlestick patterns of all time. What I'm gonna do is really zoom in here and kind of talk through this one. This hammer on October 1st is what I refer to as the perfect hammer. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous in every way. A little bit of a bear candle, upper shadow, lower shadow. This lower shadow was a little bit lower than this candle. We retested the highs of this previous pivot from September. Superb. Then the next day, October 4th, which was a Monday, I might add, opened up above all of this resistance, made a new high, and then traded down. So you get a bear candle gapping up into a bear candle where the close of the second day was above the close of the first day's bear candle. Love that pattern. It's a very strong bullish candle, especially if we continue higher and close above that resistance, which we did on October 12th. So the entire time I was adding shares of Tesla, and again, we're up substantially. The big question that most people have is, what are we gonna do about earnings? So earnings is just days away. And obviously we all know that there's huge resistances here up around the 880 level. My plan is to sell these shares at $900. This is gonna be my target. So my target is 900. I'm gonna leave that for a good till cancel extended hours time frame. And I'll more or less leave the shares alone until we hit that price. My overall thought process is one of two things. If we gap down on Tesla, which is likely, we will eventually trade back up higher. And on that gap down, I'll probably buy 1 or 2 more shares in this particular account. Let me make sure I'm very clear on this. I have many accounts with a lot of Tesla in it. This is my smallest holding of Tesla in any of my accounts, but I love the fact that we're in it together and that we're all making money on this monster transportation stock and company. Back to the charts. So 900 is going to be my target for Tesla. I will leave it alone. If it gaps up on earnings, fantastic. If it gaps down, buy the dip. And if it opens flat, then I'm just going to keep holding. I will put a stop loss on some of my shares after earnings, probably around 760, which would be about a little more than break even for most of the positions that we're in. And I'm just going to leave it alone and let it do its thing. Again, any kind of weakness, buy the dip into that weakness, hold until 900. And then once 900 gets here, I think that Tesla could probably chop around for a few weeks and months and then eventually go higher once again, which I'm really, really thrilled and excited about. And when that happens, I'll make another update video. We'll do shares again, probably on Tesla or maybe on another position. We'll come to find out at that time. But the chart looks beautiful. Make sure that you are an owner and not just a consumer. If you drive a Tesla, I'm sure everyone here who owns a Tesla vehicle has some shares of Tesla. I know my boy Craig Levine does. I know my boy Edward Lynn does. I know my boy Patrick Sullivan does. There's tons of you out there who have some shares of Tesla. Just make sure to be in this monster as it approaches the $900 level, because it will get there. And then of course, once it breaks out, who the heck knows how high it's going to go from there, because this has been a wonderful, huge triangle over time. And yes, it can break up higher for sure. We could trade into 900 and pull all the way back down to 720. Well, we'll get back in, and we could do this for a while, but eventually a break above that triangle will cause Tesla to just continue to go higher. Hey, you can hate on it or not. This is just the chart. We've had the split. I'm just talking from experience. This baby looks prime and ready to go. Congrats for everyone who's making some money on this overall move. You are outstanding. There you go, my friends. Thank you so much for being a part of the real life trading community. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber and watcher to our series of videos. This 5K account has been so fun to manage and to trade. And as I mentioned in the previous sections, we'll be doing other updates as the year progresses. We have, I think, until June or July of 2022 to keep making these videos. So stay tuned. I'm here. I'm your guy. to grow your account, to help you with your mind, your money, your magic, all the fun things. Anyway, thanks for being a part of Real Life Trading. You rock.